morning, guys. Welcome to this week's video. The thing that's on my mind for us this week is time hacks. I'm betting whether you're a busy entrepreneur or a corporate professional, you feel like there's not enough time in the day to do everything you want. And a lot of times that stops us from moving forward with those big goals and dreams that we have for our lives. And I'm right there with you. You know, I've got my binder. These are all the things that I had written down for what I was going to accomplish this weekend. And I started looking at that and I thought, well, shoot, that leaves me no time to relax, right? But the truth is, if I really look at my list and I get super diligent, there's things in there that take 10 minutes. It's those baby steps that are going to take us to that next level or to help us achieve the goal that we really, really want for our lives. And there's always time to do the things that are most important. So one of the things that I try to do every day is learning. And so I've started listening to Audible. I've got a couple of books that I love. And I'm petting my dog. You probably saw him walk around in the background. I'm listening to Audible while I do that, while I drive, while I put on my makeup. And that helps me really kind of sneak in that time. Anytime you're waiting, right? So like if you're waiting in a line or waiting at a drive-through, that's time that you can listen to a podcast or engage in some kind of learning, make a phone call, catch up with someone who's on your list that you need to catch up with. I'm a big proponent of being really, really careful about screen time, especially television or streaming time. So I rarely watch TV. When I do, it's just planned downtime. And if you think about any time wasters that you have during your day, there's usually things that you can cut out. So if you have a 1 hour of productive time, then going through that list and saying, okay, I could get these 5 things done in that 1 hour, just really dedicating and setting it aside. I've included an article in this week's email on other time hacks that may help you find those little pockets of time that are going to help you chase your dreams. It is hard when you've got kids, significant others, parents, friends, family, business to tend to, and you've got big dreams. You can absolutely do it. And remember, even if you do one small thing, that is one step closer to achieving your dream life. All right, have a great week. I'll see you later, and I would love to hear from you. What time hacks did you incorporate into your week this week that allowed you to get more done and also get a little bit more downtime on the back end? All right, guys, have a great week, and I'll talk to you. What is today? It's the 15th. I guess that's 22nd. I can't believe it. We're almost out of July. All right, have a great week, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye.